Smile.
I am Jennifer Castro. Today, welcome to in the capital, and welcome back to the channel. With the 2025 elections is fast approaching. It's more important than ever to be informed about candidates running for office. Today, we're focusing on the candidates for the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Let's say here for the represents by SP Squeaky Palacios. Okay, I will give you 3 questions for you. Okay, ha? I will repeat ang twice. What is your experience in public service, and how will this experience benefit the people of Antique? What is your experience in public service, and how will this experience benefit the people of Antique? Starts now.
I have been a second term. This is already my 3rd term as Sangguniang Panlalawigan Provincial Board Member. Marami akong experience dyan. Ako pa rin naging chairman ng Committee on Finance and Appropriation. Ako pa rin chairman ng Committee on Laws and Ordinances. It's unquestionable na yung experience ko bilang SP member, considering this is my 3rd term. Okay, second question.
Okay, second question. How will you address the needs and concerns of marginalized communities in Antique? How will you address the needs and concerns of marginalized communities in Antique? Starts now.
I will always do what I've always done before. Considering it's already my 3rd term, I will work with the same vigor and enthusiasm that I have for the past 6 years. And I promise and swear that I will work for the benefit of a united Antique, and also work for the benefit and privileges of the Antiqueños in general, like I always do.
Okay, 3 questions. Final question na. What is your plan to attract investments and stimulate job creation in Antique? What is your plan to attract investments and stimulate job creation in Antique? Starts now.
I will do my best to garner as much as possible all the investors na mga kilala ko sa Iloilo, kilala ko sa Manila. So, sige lang bla, bantay lang bla, kaya sira-sira. Ayos lang na. Kaya?
Okay rin?
Okay, Ran. Okay, the conclusion is, thanks for watching. I hope this interview the next for the episode, and then will be for the next candidates. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And I am Jennifer Castro, the host, interviewer, vlogger. And thank you very much, Kasimanma.
Si thank you sa cameraman pa.
Thank you.
Si thank you sa cameraman, Noel Alamis. Thank you sa cameraman.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Oh, thank you ko na sa cameraman, na MD cameraman. Oh, si Smile na. Hello, thank you guys sa nagbuto kanakan. Oh, thank you.
Kanakan man. Maraming salamat din.
Yeah, thank you so much. We love you. Okay.
Sige, milay pa. Sige,
Milay pa.
salamat.